Susan is super productive and uses smartphone for everything. She schedules a meeting with a client in 2 hours, orders lunch, fresh fruits, and coffee. Susan drives to her office and suddenly a service light comes on. Susan decides to go to Fast Oil drive-thru on her way to work. When she pulls up, there's a line. She has no time to wait. She is getting frustrated because all her orders are ready and she needs to pick everything up and be in time for the meeting. Susan is thinking she doesn't want to skip the service, but she doesn't want to risk missing that important meeting.
Use Driveroo, the most convenient way to care for your car.
Here's how it works. Susan uses Driveroo and clicks Driveroo Oil Change. Connects to an available station just 3 minutes away. Drives right into the service bay. No appointments, no delays, no changing of plans. Every Driveroo service comes with a free AI-driven inspection report, so Susan has confidence her car is being maintained properly. Susan picks up all her orders fresh and walks into the conference room just in time. Download Driveroo app and use it for all your car's standard services. Just click, connect, get serviced.